welcome to my channel. My name is Bailey Ruskus, also known as Chef Bay, and I'm a professional plant-based chef and a best-selling cookbook author of the cookbook Cook, Heal, Go Vegan. I am so excited that you're here and you landed on this video. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you want more tips and tricks in the kitchen, keep watching. This is also the place for exclusive videos to my podcast, The Plant Remedy. If you're interested in diving deeper in plant-based cooking or just want to incorporate a little bit of fun into your cooking routine, join our membership called Cook, Vibe, Heal that you can cook with me live weekly, and it's so much fun. So I hope you enjoyed this video and I'll see you soon. What's up, guys? I hope you're having a great day. Today we're making pozole. It is cold in San Diego. I've been working from bed all day and I thought that I would jump out of bed to make some pozole to show you how to make it. This is as good as we're gonna get today, so I hope this is totally cool with you guys. But yeah, we've been slacking on our YouTube recipe videos, but I just want to let you know that they're coming back with a vengeance in 2022. It's just a little sneak peek of what you're gonna get. And yeah, I'm just excited. Let's do it. We're gonna make pozole. So what makes pozole? It's basically a Mexican soup, and we're gonna put hominy in it. We're also gonna put a roasted salsa verde inside of it as well, so it's gonna be a verde pozole. And it's not gonna be meat free. So usually pozole has like some sort of pork in it. Usually there's like a ham shank or something. Since we are all vegan and plant-based over here, there will be no ham shank in this pozole. There's gonna be jackfruit instead. On TikTok, everyone's telling me that they have a weird aversion to jackfruit. So if you're one of those people, you can always use mushrooms instead of jackfruit. Everything in this recipe is able to be swapped out. So if you cannot find hominy, which is a corn product, then you can use garbanzo beans. Like literally the grocery store is your oyster, and you can make this how you like it. But this is the way I make my pozole. I've been making it like this for years. It goes super good with cornbread, tortillas, whatever you got. Like kind of carve it up with it. So let's do this. All right, so our first thing that we're gonna do is make our salsa verde. So this is gonna be a roasted one. You could do a raw one if you wanted to have a more bright flavor. But since it's raining and it's winter time, I wanna make this as like comforting as possible. If you're making this in the summer though, I would do this raw. So preheat your oven to 400 degrees. And then we're gonna get all of our ingredients for our salsa verde. And you can kind of switch these up as you go. If you like it to be really spicy, really garlicky, you can add, you can take away. So we're gonna start with some tomatillos. Tomatillos are in the tomato family, and they have a nice little skin on them. So you just want some skin, it's more like a leaf. So you wanna take the leaf off of all of them. If you smell your tomatillo, they kind of stink. They smell like feet. I say this all the time. My husband Steve, who's recording this, hates it when I say that, but they do. They smell like feet for some reason. So it's really important to rinse off the stickiness and the smell by rinsing them really quick. So I'm gonna go rinse them. Okay, once we rinse them, we're just gonna cut them into quarters so that they'll easily roast in the oven. Okay, so the next thing we're gonna do is grab our poblano pepper. And I'm just gonna go ahead and slice it down. I don't really care about getting the seeds of this poblano in our salsa verde. I'll cut off some of these. The seeds in your salsa verde aren't bad unless they're like jalapeno seeds and they burn your mouth off. So we're gonna throw in our poblanos, and then I'm gonna grab some green onions. I'm gonna grab about 3 of them. I'm gonna cut off the ends, and then I'm just gonna cut like 3 big slices, like that. I'm gonna grab my garlic. So I just kind of like to press on the garlic as much as you can to separate the garlic cloves. And we're just gonna throw the whole garlic clove. Oh, that's not my trash bowl. We're just gonna throw the whole garlic clove on the sheet pan as well. Ooh, okay, now we're gonna add a jalapeno. I'm just gonna scrape it out, and then I'm just gonna throw it on like so. And then I'm gonna sprinkle some salt and a tiny drizzle of olive oil. Toss it with your hands. Don't be afraid. And then we're gonna roast this until our tomatillos are really soft and our peppers are nice and brown. done. So it's done 15 minutes later, and you've got some crispy edges, really soft tomatillos, some crispy garlic, and that is exactly what we're going for. So we're gonna throw everything right into our blender. You wanna make sure to get all the juice from the tomatillos, as that's what's gonna give your salsa verde enough oomph to blend in the blender. So I'm gonna scrape up the rest of this. I'm gonna pop a lid on it, blend till it's smooth, and then just set it aside. Okay, so I'm just gonna pour it. Look at that. Ooh. And that is gonna be the flavor and that inside of our broth. So this is super important to get that really flavorful pozole without using any animal fat. Okay, so we're gonna chop an onion, because all good soup has onion in the beginning. So I'm gonna cut off the ends, chop this guy in half. I'm gonna put the onion face down, and then we're gonna slice it. All right, then add your onion to the pan, and we're gonna saute it until it gets nice and translucent. All right, so I've got my onion caramelizing beautifully right in here. And then I have my rinsed, sorry, I just had to smell it. I have my rinsed jackfruit. So this is unripened young jackfruit. You wanna make sure you get the unripened jackfruit. And then before I put it in my saute pan, I'm actually just gonna squeeze it out and pop it in there. This is actually gonna help get all of the excess water out and excess brine, and also excess sodium from the brine too. All right, while it's sauteing, we're gonna add a generous amount of coriander and cumin. They are a match made in heaven. And we're gonna saute so that the spices can toast. Next up, we're gonna add some hominy and our salsa verde that we just made. I want to get everything coated in the salsa verde. Ooh. And then I'm going to add some vegetable broth. Cover it and let simmer for like 20 minutes. I'm showered, feeling fresh, and I'm ready for some soup. I got out of the shower and the smell was so good, and I can't wait to eat this. I'm so hungry. So let's plate it up. I've got some avocado, cilantro, some green onions, and you've got to squeeze some lime on the top. And I also have the last little bit of cashew cream, which is perfect for a couple servings of the pozole. So look at that. Oof, money. Pour it in here. Pozole should be thick, like that. You want it to cook for a little bit because you want it to thicken up. It should be almost like a stew, at least in my opinion. I went ahead and sliced the avocado, and I'm just going to scoop her on out. And I kind of like to fan it, like do whatever you want, honestly. But I kind of just like to fan it a little bit. I'll put it right there, and I'll sprinkle with some green onion. And I like to just kind of rip cilantro with my fingers for a really rustic kind of feel. And then I'm gonna go ahead and squeeze a half of a lime right on here. It will come out. A lot of juice in that one. Shit. Okay, and then the final touch is gonna be our cashew cream. So I'm just gonna take it and drizzle a little bit on the top. Boom! We've got pozole. Look at this. I've got to try it. I haven't even tried it yet. Gotta see. Oh, it smells like Christmas morning. Oh my god. I haven't had pozole in so long. I'm like, wow, this is amazing. Vegan pozole, whole food ingredients, So healthy, so flavorful, so delicious, and really inexpensive to make as well. You can make this for your entire family really easily. I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe with this steaming hot bowl of soup. And if you did, be sure to comment below, like the video, share it with a friend, and subscribe. All right, guys, I'll see you in the next one. Bye. Amazing. Chef approved.